You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. This is a name that is generally associated with Spanish-speaking countries. It originates from Spanish, so we need to hear the Spanish pronunciation. If you want to hear more Spanish names pronounced, stay tuned. Calderon. Calderon. I believe in Spanish it has an accent on the ron syllable, meaning that you need to stress on that last ron syllable. Calderon. That's how it's said in Spanish, or in Mexico, South America, Calderon. Now, in English, therefore, how to pronounce it? English pronunciation, Calderon. Calderon from Spanish, Calderon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.